Bill Gates is our world's second richest man. It's clear warning about what's required for everyone who want to be highly successful. Here in this video, I will share you 10 Bill Gates rule for success. These rules are very simple to adopt. Number 1, he said, when I start Microsoft, I think it is very risky. I mean, I am very excited about what I am doing. Here I am telling you some skill very important for everything. When you start any work, the most important thing which you need, it is energy. You must have energy to do some new and better. The rest comes second. Because when you have a product to sell someone, you need to convince them. If you have energy to explain your product, you will get more customers. Number 2, you have bad influence. You always feel that you would have a good influence, but Bill Gates said bad influence is necessary for learning new things. You try to learn more and more until you become success. Number 3, work hard. Bill Gates said, I didn't believe in vacations. I didn't believe in weekends. Power comes not knowledge kept, but from knowledge shared. Bill Gates spent a lot of time in reading, whether at the office, home, or on the roads. He always has a stock of books he is looking forward to reading. His belief, hard worker never fail. Number 4, create the future. Bill Gates believe life has a tendency to just happen because of choice we make. The life you create and design for yourself is going to accumulate from the choice you make over time. Unexpected things can derail the dreams but stay ahead of another. To win big, you some things have to take a big risk. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. The future is not something we enter. The future is something we create. And the best way to predict the future is to create it. Number 5, enjoy what you do. Life is very short. Always think about what you have. Never get upset after thinking about the things which you didn't have. If you want something or someone, try it as much as you possible. If you get it, then okay. Otherwise, believe that there is something which is more better for you. Enjoy every moment of life. Don't wait for good moments. Take a moment and make it good. Number 5, play bridge. Always try to take a risk. Check if you are lucky or not. Number 7, ask for advice. Learn from the experiences of others. It will save you a lot of energy. Get advice from everyone, but do what you think it is right. Asking someone makes your job easier because you don't have to know everything. So you should consult a servant who knows better than you about this thing. Number 8, pick good peoples. Be among the people who increase your energy, not those who criticize you all the times. Because you have energy, you will be able to do something new. Number 9, don't delay. Don't delay the plan that is running in your mind because anyone else start working on it. Number 10, have a good sense of humor. Sense of humor is a good thing. People who laugh all the time, they will enjoy their life. People who have a good sense of humor, they always think good. Thanks for watching.